not known before. It's like, I'm Danish and my friend Shrikant. We are team Mother Russia. So our web application is called Mother USC. Mother USC. So yeah, so it's not a prototype, it's not a beta version. It's been live on 14th of October. This Monday it went live, and it's actually working and it's helping people around. So yeah. So actually, what the application did was, can anybody hear me like this? Can anybody hear me? I don't want to use the mic. Okay. Yeah. So what our application did was, it helped us. The application is a aggregation of all the Facebook groups that are there on Facebook of a USC. Let us know there are like more than 100 USC Facebook groups right now. So one person cannot go to each and every group and post something and search something, and then, because we don't have time, we have assignments to do, we have so many other things to do. So what we have done is we have aggregated the whole result, all USC Facebook groups, put it on one portal, make a little nice look and feel, and then you can just search it. It's very simple. So actually what the application did to us is to snoop on our competitors, like very good 4 competitors that we had. So what we did was, yeah, so yeah. So Mr. David Chang was actually posting at a lot of mini groups and providing a lot of gift cards. So what we did was, we as a group, we were snooping on him, and we were also going to those groups and posting our own ads. Actually not using our brain, we were using our own app. So it's, yeah. It's not photo. I'm trying to use the user. Yeah. So they have posted it twice. They have posted on Free for Sale, Viterbi School of Engineering. They have been posting. And who else is posting? Oh. Yeah. Yeah, so as clearly obvious, like, so what we were doing is we were snooping on our competitor and seeing what they are doing, so we just blindly following, so we are not good at marketing or anything of that kind. I'm sorry, I'm not so good at this also. So yeah. So it's actually live, it's not prototype beta version like I've said earlier also. So what were the most search words, like tickets, jobs, groups, like it's on our website that we have mentioned one of the, or readme file, which are the words you want to search. So I don't know why people tend to search those words, because I don't know. Yeah. So mostly people are obsessed with their own name and they're searching for their own name stuff. So what are the user queries that we got in this period of days? Some people were asking, so they are not able, as people must have seen the earlier version of our website, so people are not able to browse through long text. The problem with Facebook groups and text are, there is this hell number of paragraphs that are given, and one person cannot just go there and read through it. I just want to see where my words exist. So see here. So I've used for scheduler. I don't have to read the whole text. I just have to go to my keyword. I see, oh, scheduler, oh, that's it. I don't have extra time to do anything else. So mostly the question was how to use it, what to write, what to not write, or can you, it's like, why is it so fast? So yeah, so I cannot make it slow, so. Yeah, so what we did was, this is the geeky solution, so yeah, so we added we kind of increased, because what we did was, that was an earlier version, we tried to increase double the number of groups that we were aggregating. So it's now quite 35 groups, Facebook groups that we are aggregating together. So for that kind of architecture, we need more backend. It is not like piece of cake. So we have to bring one more brother to the web stack. So we brought Memcache into the web stack. We added queuing in the JS. And that's our geeky stuff. And design and field we kind of make. So Mr. Doctor gave us that, the earlier judge was mentioned us that we want to be more, it should be more hackish. So we kind of made it more hackish, only white background stuff. Yeah, so now now it is the boring part, that's the statistic parts. So we have 136 likes. Because see, our motto is not about likes. Our motto is like you use it. You don't like it, it's okay. But use it. Yeah, so that's time. Yeah. So this is the real website from the Google Analytics. We just printed it out. So this is the page views, and this data includes. So what we kind of observed in our data was the number of returning people and those time they spent. So the people who came for the first time, they just came to have a look and feel. Once they were like confirmed that what does the website does, the returning users were able to spend for like 3 minutes searching through that stuff. Yeah. This is the data. Yeah. So on our Facebook page, these are the people, as we tend to say that these provide comments, and so these are the people who have liked. So yeah, special thanks to Mr. Michael. So yeah, so they keep on writing stuff to us, like, so they were actually using it to help themselves. We didn't go and beg them that do something or do that. They just used it and they just made the changes. Yeah. So see, the point of the application is, it's like it is like a box of clay. You want to use it. How it is like. I'll give you an example. Like I have lost a key. I've lost a key in one of the classroom. I don't know which group should I post on. I don't know who will look at my post. I don't know. So I post at one of the groups, or I found a key. So I have lost a key. So I don't know. I go to Viterbi School of Engineering and looks for somebody's post who has found a key. So that would be kind of foolish, going to 20 groups and searching for it. So I come here. So I found a key, a pair of keys. So see, I lost my keys. So what it does is actually, so these are the links to the post. So they are not there. These are the links to the post. These are the links to the user, and these are the links to the group. So this is the topmost. This is not all the groups because we have a lot of groups. So we just kind of show that this is prevalent in these groups. So I'm just trying to give an example of box of clay. So it's a clay, you want to use it. So for me, I want to use it in this way. I want to use it in that way. Yeah. So you want to look for jobs, you want to look for housing. You want to look for study groups. So like I gave you an example of a person who I posted earlier that he was looking for a study group and he got it. And yeah. So it's like however you want to use it. You just sit around like it's like a group. I shouldn't compare myself to Google, that would be like too much. But it is like you just go and just look what you want, do it and get out of it as soon as possible. Yeah. So I just heard a query being answered, asked actually, about what happens if somebody posts. With our application, the advantage which is in our future, what we want to add is a mailing list kind of phenomena. So if I'm looking for iPhone sale, so I write iPhone, like what it does in Stack Overflow. I write iPhone is the keyword, I write my email ID and I go away. Because as we are the aggregators, we know if somebody is selling iPhone at the instant. As soon as I see, oh, iPhone sale is there, we trigger a mail to them like, oh, there is an iPhone sale just registered in one of the groups, one of the 50, 60 groups. So they come, they contact the person, so that turnaround time is very less. And that's what matters in buying things. Because if you want to buy second-hand stuff, half of the time it's gone away or you're just sad and yeah. So tracking, so that is our future prospect. That is one of the future prospects. Making it more faster is always there with us. We want to make it like hell faster. And yeah, we want to add events also. We are over with time and yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, Mother USC. Do we have any questions?
So I really like the quick and dirty look of it and how it works, but it seems like when you search, it matches each word separately.
It's very brute force. There is no logic been added. All our brain has been gone in making it faster. Textual search is what we have done right now, because we think that now we have to study what people are looking for and then kind of make it favorite. The work, see, we have created this in 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. So yeah, I'm sorry, the question is very correct. It should have been something more intelligent, not like a brute force. Yeah. So.
Okay. So, I mean, I was just wondering, like, suppose someone wanted to search for 2 words, like, exactly that matched together. So right now it doesn't do that, but that's something that you could easily cover.
I would apologize to him.
No problem.
I had a quick question about indexes. So how fast does it take to update from Facebook? I noticed a bunch of posts. I've been posting some for our group, our project, and I searched myself and I didn't find much other than 1 post, and there should have been 3 or 4. How fast are you updating from Facebook? Is it live? Is it every day?
No. We are not at all doing it live. It should be doing it live. The code is, everything is there. It should be doing it live, but it's kind of, we are doing it like 6-7 hours before we have started. We have ran the crawl. We are making the slides and everything.
Okay.
For every 6 hours, we once runs the
One run the crawl. But we are trying to do it within an hour or within half an hour. That's our main goal is.
And if you had any problems with Facebook saying you're using our API too much?
We are kind of register for them. It's a read-only mode. We don't let them get inside. You have to, because if you click on one of the Facebook links, you don't get into the post. You just go outside. It's asked for a Facebook login or a group access. That's it. It doesn't do anything more than that. So you have to kind of register before you use that, because we are using Facebook Open Graph API which they have provided. So you have to register for them, tell them what their app is, let them know about it, that we are not kind of doing what it does.
Okay, thank you.
Cool, thank you.